Why can't I scroll in the terminal? I'm using Ubuntu 16.04 Cinnamon. After repositioning a terminal window, GNOME Terminal 3.18.3, I suddenly can't scroll up through the terminal output. Shift plus page up writes 2 on the command line instead of scrolling. Control plus Shift plus writes A on the command line instead of scrolling. The scroll bar on the right fills the entire vertical height of the window, indicating that there's nothing to scroll back to. As more output is added, none of the above changes. What messed up and how do I fix it?
James Henstridge's answer to this Ubuntu question seems to identify the error correctly as the terminal getting stuck in a cursor addressing mode, whatever that means. His first solution, the command $putmancup, works, though there's not much in the way of explanation. So I attempted to figure that out. manput tells us that the put utility uses the terminfo database to make the values of terminal-dependent capabilities and information available to the shell, see sh1, to initialize or reset the terminal, or return the long name of the requested terminal type. Terminfo is also not very usefully documented. The most comprehensive source I can find is a tldp.org article. Evidently Terminfo is a database of different terminals and what commands and capabilities they have. Presumably every Linux installation has one. So you can use different terminals? Man terminfo indicates its files are in /etc/terminfo// but on Ubuntu 16.04 I found only a readme there. The real files are in /lib/terminfo// for example /lib/terminfo/al/linux, which is probably the most relevant file for most readers? I can't tell, because these files are not human readable. The tldp.org article link above states that infoc can be used to see their source, but that isn't true. The article also mentions source code files /etc/termcat and /etc/terminfo.src, but these do not exist in Ubuntu 16.04. I did find a set of /user/share/vte/termcat directories that contain human-readable sterm files. I'd have to guess that this all connects to the GNOME terminal I'm using that's default to Ubuntu, but I'm tired of trying to figure out how. The man page for Terminfo does have one more helpful job, though. Under its predefined capabilities is a variable string exit_ca_mode with cat name, capability name, I assume, and cup with the description, strings to end programs using cup. The description isn't very helpful, but the variable name is. This must refer to a terminal's capability to exit cursor addressing mode, which is what the terminal is stuck in. So, $putmancup must use put to access the terminfo database and activate the current terminal's exit_ca_mode capability in cup, which kills the cursor addressing mode and returns the terminal to its normal scrolling behavior.
To reinitialize the terminal, a simple reset will fix this. For more info and options, man reset. Beware, this will clear the scrollback buffer.
I had same problem on GNOME Terminal 3.28.2 on Ubuntu 18.04. Simply use Terminal, Menu Item, and GT, Reset and Clear. Then you may also go into Menu Edit and GT, Preferences and GT, Scrolling, Tab, and enable scroll bar and AMP, set number of scroll lines.
None of the previous commands helped me, reset, etc., so I tried this one, and it worked. Open any Ubuntu, Bash, Windows terminal version, and do the following. Right-click in the top bar, where Ubuntu's logo is. Click on Properties. It will open a white interface with some menus. Click the Layout menu. Inside of it, there's a section named Screen Buffer Size. The said area has three options: width, height, and a box to check wrap text output on resize. Here, on height, you will erase any number that is placed, and you will write 9,000. Your ending result should be hey, 9,000.
Please subscribe to the channel.